Are you someone who ends up buying new outfits before every trip and still feels like nothing looks right? And your bag, always full because of random clothes you barely even wear. What if this summer you decided to save money, pack light in your next trip, and still want to look stylish, elegant, and put together in every vacation photos? If that sounds familiar, this video is exactly for you. So stick around, and I have started Travel Capsule Wardrobe series starting from this week. Today we will discover how to create multiple outfits using smart color combinations, how to mix and match your top and bottom wears so you don't repeat the same look again and again, and how just a few simple accessories can completely change your outfit for different events. So you can travel light but still look your best every single day of your vacation. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Style Equation. If you are new to my channel, just a short intro here. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So let's discuss today's topic on how to build Travel Capsule Wardrobe Series 1. So after traveling too many places in India and abroad, I realized I was making a big mistake every time. Before every trip, I used to buy new outfits just to match trends and look best in every vacation photos. And honestly speaking, I wasted a lot of money. Initially, packing became so stressful because I carried so many random clothes for different events. In the end, still felt like I had nothing right to wear. It took too much time and energy and still didn't give that clean, stylish look. That's when I understood the real problem was not with my clothes, but had no proper plans. So I started building a simple travel capsule wardrobe using what I already have. Now I don't need to shop for every event. I pack lighter, save a lot of money, and still found perfect outfits to capture every moment. So let's break it down step by step and see how you can do this too. So before we get into all three parts of today's video, I want to quickly clarify something. Building a travel capsule wardrobe, especially for summer days, is very different from your regular everyday capsules. And out of the three parts, I am starting with the third one first, because honestly this is where the real transformation happens. Let's discuss how just a few simple accessories can completely change your outfit for different events. Now when I say accessories, I am talking about very basic and practical things. One pair of comfortable shoes or sneakers. One pair of sandals. Some minimal jewelry like this. A simple sling bag which can fit inside your tote bag. And of course, a hat and sunglasses. If you are going to a beach during summertime, make sure your sandals are waterproof, and for hill station, good shoes works perfectly with all type of outfits. These are small additions, but they instantly bring your whole look together. Let me explain you this with a simple example. Imagine you are carrying a light printed summer dress like this for a perfect beach day. So you can now style it with sandals, add some stone bracelet and necklace, or any pearl set. And in the end, don't forget to add your hat and sunglasses. This is not only protect you from the sun but also gives you that perfect beach vibes for all photos. Now we can keep the same dress if you are planning to any hill station. Just switch your sandals to any shoes. Keep the jewelry minimal this time, maybe just a simple hoops, and use the same sunglasses and hat. And trust me, you have now a completely different look. Suddenly you realize you wear the same outfit but this time totally new feel as we mix and match the accessories as per location demand. Even for a dinner plan, if you are planning to wear cord set or any certain fabric one piece, we can use the same shoes and the same pearl necklace or any elegant gold stud earrings. Carry your sling bag to one side this time and it instantly gives you more polished fine dining look. So these are very small changes but they can completely transform your look based on the places and the occasion without adding that extra clothes and accessories to your bag. And that is the real power of using accessories smartly in a capsule wardrobe. If you want to go deeper into how to style accessories with different outfits in details, I have already made a dedicated video on that. You can check it out after watching this video. Also, I have pasted the link in the description below. In the next part, we will discuss how to mix and match your top and bottom wears so you don't need to repeat the same look on your trip. This is honestly one of the easiest way to create more outfits without carrying more clothes. Instead of packing full outfits for each day, start thinking in combination. For example, if you carry 3 tops and 3 bottoms, you can easily create multiple different looks just by switching them around. So let's see how it looks like. A simple t-shirt can look completely different when paired with shorts for a day outing, a skirt for a casual evening, or linen pants for more relaxed and elegant vibes. The idea is to choose pieces that go well with each other in terms of color and style. So after that, everything works together automatically without much effort. And of course, here don't forget to add the accessories which we mentioned earlier, especially goggles and hat for a perfect summer vacation. This way you don't just pack less, you also get more variety in your outfits without feeling like you are repeating the same look every day. And trust me, you can see the results in each of your vacation pic later on and thanks me later. We can't really differentiate the same top or bottom wear when we start thinking combinations smartly. Just try it in your next trip and share your experience in the comment section. Now let's talk about something that makes your outfit look instantly put together. That is color combinations. This is where you can create multiple looks without even trying too hard. For example, for summer trips, especially to beaches or hilly areas, always stick to a soft or lighter color palette when it comes to choose outfit. For this kind of event, think shades like white, beige, soft blue, pastels, and even lighter printed pieces. Prints in lighter tone works really well because they already have a mix of colors. So you can easily match them with different tops or bottom wear without overthinking. The idea is to choose pieces that go well with each other. So any top can match with any bottom wear effortlessly. For example, for a date time, this is the combination that we can think to choose. Beige with white, maybe light green with light blue, grey with white, or my personal favorite, light color co-ord set. It looks clean, feel comfortable and is perfect for summer weather. And if you have a dinner or night plans, that's when you can bring it slightly deeper or richer tone to elevate your look a bit. Once your colors are planned in this way, everything starts working together naturally. And you can get multiple outfit options without picking extra clothes. These are some color combinations, also as mentioned earlier, that I personally follow during summer trips. Also, I'll give the details in the descriptions, you can check it later on. Just try this combination once in your next trip and share your experience in the comment section. So, as we are now wrapping up the video, let's summarize quickly what we discussed. Honestly, you don't really need a lot of clothes to look good on every vacation photos. With the right planning, smart color choices, mix and match outfits, and with a few simple accessories, you can create so many different looks without overpacking or spending extra money. This simple system has honestly made my travel so much easier. Less stress, less packing, and still feeling confident in every outfit. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps you plan your next summer trip better. And if you found this content useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more styling tips. So see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.